On my what?
Hey everyone, this is Mark Wilburn coming back to you. I wanted to give you another testimony of what our Seminar 1 is able to do for you in your life. So I have sitting with me Mr. Seth Burnett. Seth, say hello to the world.
Hello, world.
Alright, Seth, now what do you do?
I work for the fire department.
You are a fireman.
Yes.
Do you pose in calendars?
No, I do not. I've been asked, but I don't.
You've been asked, you just don't do it. Awesome. So before taking our Seminar 1, have you had any kind of stock experience?
Yes.
Yes, what did you do?
I read a couple books.
Okay.
I read some books on the market, on how you buy stocks. Okay, you still can.
Yeah, you gotta speak louder.
All right. I've read a couple books. I've read a couple books on the market, on how you buy stocks, anything from entry level to mid level to somewhat advanced.
Okay. Now, you told me once you went through like a Bill O'Neill book, William O'Neill?
Yes, how to buy stocks,
okay.
How to make money in stocks.
All right, now have you ever invested prior to taking our seminar?
Yes and no.
Okay.
Not to the level that I wanted to.
Okay. So coming to our seminar, you had a lot, this is our introductory seminar.
Yes.
You had a lot of knowledge.
Yes.
Not a lot of application, but a lot of knowledge.
Correct.
Was the seminar worth it to you?
Yes.
Okay.
It was worth it to me. And the reason why it was worth it to me is in the books, as you learn in this seminar, that there's three things it takes to trade: the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and market tone.
Okay.
And reading a book, I was able to do the fundamental analysis very easily. What I had a hard time grasping was the technical analysis and the market tone.
Okay.
And what I mean by that is you can read a book and it shows you a graph, but you have nobody to bounce it off of. And in this course, I felt within the 2 days that I learned the technical analysis and how to follow market tone. And in my opinion, you can learn how to evaluate a company all you want if it's a good company to buy, but if you do not know exit points, entry points, which the technical analysis teaches you, you will make no money.
Okay. So do you feel like this course was worth it to you?
To me, it was definitely worth it.
Awesome.
For the price I paid, I would have paid 10 times that price.
Wow. Okay.
Easily. I felt from the 48 hours I spent in y'all's class, I was able to take the 3 to 4 years of reading and literally make it start happening that Monday. To me, it was the complete cycle, but at a blue collar level that anybody would be able to understand.
Very cool. Very cool. Now, have you started trading?
Yes.
Awesome. Can you tell me a little bit of your track record?
Yes, I'll share my first 3 trades.
Okay.
I don't have my exact ROI, which we share, but my first 3 trades that I executed after taking the class, I executed 3 trades at one time, all with the same strategy that he taught us in the class.
Okay.
The first 2 I broke even on, and then the third one I made $3 per share within 4 days.
Wow.
Of the trade. So I lost no money, and I actually tripled my money.
Wow, so you actually tripled your money
Yes.
within a 4-day play.
Yes.
Only after taking our course.
Yes.
Which is something you couldn't do previous, having studied and
Correct.
even trying to go out on your own.
Correct. I made more money in my first 3 trades taking your course than anything I'd done prior to.
That's awesome. Very cool. Well, Seth, I appreciate your time, and thank you so much.
Not a problem.